Alright, welcome to my bare countertop. Today we have a little bit of some updates and an unbagging.
What?
Alright, so a little bit of an update here, what's been going on, or what's not going on right now. As you can see, my countertop is pretty bare. So I have a few things ready over here for Weedy Guitar Studio's neck. I've got his tuners, his new tuners here. I've got his old tuners wrapped up right here. I'm going to send these back to him. He said he needs some patch cords, so I've got some brand new patch cords here. You might find some Allen keys inside of these packages for truss rods. Not a big deal. I got his truss rod cover sitting over here. Now I'm just waiting for the neck to dry, and then I'm going to show it to you guys. I am not touching it until the clear is cured 100% on that thing. So it's going to be a little bit. Anyways, I got a hold of DiamondCut Graphics, which is an eBay store, and I let the guys know over there that I'm putting their link to their channel, or not to their channel, but to their eBay store on my channel in the description, and I'm going to continue to do so for anything that I happen to find or come across that somebody else may need, you know, and doesn't have a link to it, or wants a link to it, or needs some information or whatever. So Jeff Lee, which has a channel which I subscribed to too, I don't know if he works for or is the founder of DiamondCut Graphics, but he commented on my last video, and I know I kind of like dogged this logo a little bit that he sent me. Yeah, I gotta apologize for that. That was kind of rude of me to do so, but and I'm sure I can probably find something I could put that on. It could be a kind of like a center for like a 3-in-3. It could be like a nice little centerpiece or whatever on a headstock. So, but I have to be a light color since that's black. So anyways, I let him know, and I'm going to continue to, because some people don't like when you put up things about them, or you know, just putting up a link. Some people don't like that, or they have a little pet peeve about it. But in this case here, if I can throw some more business to this guy, I'm going to do so, especially with the guitar stuff. Yeah, I've found myself that it's, I guess unless you go through like a brand name like Jackson or Fender or whatever, go through them for the logos. Yeah, outside sourcing is hard to find. So these guys here, I gotta say, quality work, very nice sharp lines as far as the way to cut, very thin to clear over. The sanding part of it, that was something that I threw in, because I know from experience, if you're going to put any type of like a shiny or glossy decal on something and you want to clear coat it, you got to scuff it up a little bit. The paint or clear may not stick to it, and it may start peeling in time. So very, very light scratches with a piece of sandpaper, nothing really too heavy. Don't be wet sanding, and don't be scratching it up with putting a lot of pressure on it. So anyways, I have a little bit of an unboxing to do, or unbagging for that matter. Well, I think it's an unbagging first, and then it turns into an unboxing, something like that, right? Okay. All right, so I picked this up. This is something that Robert was using a lot in some of his videos as far as guitar playing goes, and I gotta say that Robert Clark, I think I'm gonna make sure I got his last name right. I should know it by heart by now, because I've talked to the guy several times. But he's also got a channel on YouTube, and the way he plays guitar and stuff, he uses a foot pedal, I believe, to achieve the sound that he has with a lot of his playing. Not only does he use a looper, but this is something else that he uses too. I think he uses this. I hope he uses it. If not, then I got to figure out what he's doing for how, what his secrets are, how he does stuff. But anyways, let's get this thing open. And this is something that I'm going to be using. And yeah, so oh, I didn't use my knife. I used a razor blade. Oh well. So what I picked up was a, see, I told you it was going to be a unbagging and then an unboxing. So let's get this thing open. Again, I got the razor blade. Where's my knife? Cut very thin through the tape because I don't want to cut up what's in the box. All right, here we go. Alright, so what I got here, is there a logo or anything on the box? Oh yeah, here it is. The Ernie Ball VP Junior. And this is the volume pedal. Brand new. Really nice. Now, I don't know what Robert uses, but this is what I'll be using. I've never used one before. So if he has any pointers or anybody has any pointers on how to use this, I really appreciate it. Pretty simple as far as how it works goes. Okay, so this has a string inside of it with a spring on it. Oh, this is pretty easy if I need to do any repairs or fixes. There is a switch on the inside. Ooh, I got to figure out what that is too. Yeah, so this is pretty nice. Guys, rubber feet on there. A nice grip for your foot. Probably works really good with socks. And you have pedal volume, got it in, got an out, and you have to a tuner. Not bad, pretty nice, pretty nice. So yeah, when I start doing a video with this nice aluminum construction, very, very heavy, not lightweight at all. So when I start using this, you guys can watch me crash and burn trying to use it. See what else is in the box. Oh, no Ernie Ball sticker. Alright, so it's just instructions and warranty information. Alright, so there's a mono switch. This pedal is the same as the other, whatever number, 61, 66, but when in added feature, the foot slide switch is designed to replace an amp function switch, typically a channel selector. Okay. Power source. Power source? I don't see a power source inside here. And unless there's a battery behind this cover, but it don't look like it comes apart too easily. You got quite a few screws here. So is there a battery inside this thing? Let's see, power source. Ernie Ball MVP pack comes equipped with a 9-volt alkaline battery. When okay, so the sound gets distorted if the battery starts to so you can't hook up a power. So is there a battery inside here? Let's find out. Love these screwdrivers. These are for electrical use. They are shielded. So I would say right here would be the screw to take out in order to check this panel out, right? This thing is made very nicely. Alright, let's see here. Is there a battery in here? There is no battery in here. What the hell are they talking about? So here's a little switch right here. They must be talking about other pedals or something that they have. There's no battery in here. What the hell, man? So that'll be that. Oh wow, I found a hole right away. Ain't that something? Yes, I like taking apart things. Don't know why, just is. Alright, tighten that up. Try not to over tighten because it is going into a piece of sheet metal. Alright. Nice, real nice. Like it. I'm going to use it. So that's my little unboxing. I don't have anything else. I don't think I ordered anything else. No, that's about it. Okay, I'm done. You guys take care. Have a good one.